Well, hello there. This is a video for the Phish heads out here. You'll love to see that it's going to be on a lovely Languedoc custom made guitar. Today I'm going to talk about the middle section of Reba. I learned this in high school. I haven't played it for years, but the section I'm going to talk about is this section. It's not exactly, I didn't practice before hitting record, but here's a breakdown. If you know about how this stuff works, it's just a D triad. I mean, this is how I see it. I never try to learn anything and then not wrap my head around what's going on. So that's how I remember what to do, even if I forget the positioning. So it's like a D major, and then the same D major of a minor third. Right, so if you took a D major shape, and you went all minor thirds, it would sound like that. So anyway, we're going. So that makes it kind of like a fuller, really like turns into like an F major 7. So we got D, F major 7. That's great enough just to practice that, right? If you're watching the video and it's hard for you, just do that much for a few days. And then I think of that as like D minor. That's a great exercise. You can do like a little down, up, up, down, up, up would be a great exercise. Or you could alternate pick. And then a little diminished. And like kind of a, I think one of those notes might be wrong, but like I play a D, B minor. Now we're over here. And an octave. And this is like a unison chromatic down. Oh, sorry, it's this is like a D major 7. A flat, D, A flat, D, and then like up a half step, which is like a D flat 7. So all together, and I'll do another video with as a loop maybe, you know, as a round. But here you go. Here's the whole. If I want to see it better. A bit, but that gives you an idea. Hopefully you can get some knowledge out of that, or you've enjoyed listening to the guitar, and I wish you a blessed day. Go buy yourself a veggie burrito. You did a great job.